He's gone up the road, and I don't know where he went. Look at that, a JB in the wild. How the hell did you get up there?
Yeah.
I want to know, people, how he is going to get down. Just a minute, just a minute.
I'm like a fucking yowie.
You a bloody yowie, all right? There he is, there he is. Look, people, a yowie in the wild. If we keep quiet, we just put some food down, he might come down. And not in a hurry.
Look at that. Go get a pie.
You see the lyrebirds?
No.
It's all good.
Not one.
By the time we pull over, they're gone, aren't they, mate? How good's this?